Hi creative people! Today we are going to talk about 4 ways to make a blender quickly and easily with colored pencils. A golden tip: use a firm base to protect the paper that will be colored from structural damage that the pencil tip can cause. If you're new to the channel, subscribe now and activate the bell, because there's always content to inspire your creativity. My name is Norma Corrado. Get your materials and your imagination ready, and let's start this artistic journey. Note that for a perfect color blend, I create a smooth transition between different shades of the same color. Start by applying light layers and gradually press harder to intensify the color. This technique will help create a soft gradient. You notice that I leave a space unpainted between the layers of paint. I do this so that the painting has a point of light. To unify this white area with the rest of the painted area, I can use several techniques. In this blue flower, I will use a different technique on each petal for educational purposes. To demonstrate this technique, I will use a white colored pencil, a blend pencil, an eraser pencil, and a blend pen. Let's start with the white pencil. I will drag the pigment from each side of the white space into this space. The only problem with using the white pencil is that it lightens the image a little, and some artists don't like it. I don't mind it, and it looks beautiful anyway. Now I will use the eraser pencil. I do the same operation of dragging the pigment from one side to the other. Be careful with the force you apply, because since it is an eraser, it can erase the colors. Let's use the blend pencil. In this case I'm using the Caran stick. It can be presented in stick or pencil form. In the case of the stick, there is no need to sharpen it. I break it in half and use it until it runs out. Again, I drag the pigment from one side to the other. One observation here: use this blend pencil only and only when you are sure that you will not apply more color to the drawing, because when you drag the ink it waxes the paper and makes it difficult to deposit new pigment. Don't be scared. This blend pencil is not expensive and is easy to find on the internet. Now for the blend pen. Here I am using a Cis Blend pen. This pen is very easy to use. It usually comes with 2 types of tips, for use in areas of different sizes. This pen is also not expensive. The only problem is that when you least expect it, it runs out. Now that we have finished demonstrating the 4 techniques, notice how the pigment blends perfectly, allowing for smooth transitions between colors, regardless of the technique used. The one I liked the most for this art was the blend pencil. And which one you liked the most, leave a comment below. Using this technique, you will enhance your painting and give the impression that the drawing is coming out of the page. Details make all the difference. And here it is. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own works of art. See you next time. Happy creating. Thank you.